Hi, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to Keeping Up in Disney. So to continue on with the Princess Castle backpack series. So we're doing them in order. We did share the first 3 that came out, and now we're sharing the next 3. We are going to start off with the one, the only Snow White Castle backpack. I do really like this one a lot. Snow White is one of my favorite Disney movies. Snow White sitting there with all her animals around her, right by her wishing well. You can see her castle right there. On the back, you have Snow White and the prince and all her animal friends as well. And we can't forget the most important part.
What is the most important part?
The lining, of course. It's just like nature, pretty much. Just some mushrooms, birds, chipmunks, flowers, apples.
A little bunny.
Yeah, bunnies, stuff
cute.
like that.
Yeah.
For the Snow White one, I probably would say that is one of my favorite ones. Next, we have Tiana's castle. So as you can see, you got Tiana's palace right there. You've got the frog, some embroidered flowers. The colors of the backpack are very pretty. Here's Tiana in the on the back.
With Prince Naveen.
Yeah, so let's get to the exciting part.
The lining.
The lining, of course.
Oh, and this one's pretty similar, actually.
Some frogs
It's just like
and
Princess and the Frog
crickets.
instead. It also looks very like nature-y, kind of like a print
Like a
of
pond.
different things, yeah.
And on to the last one, which is my favorite, and you will see why. Dun dun dun! It's a Beauty and the Beast castle backpack. I love this one so much. This is probably one of my, I think it's my favorite one out of all of them. I do love the Little Mermaid one. This has got to be my #1 favorite. I just love the Beauty and the Beast, how it looks here. And then it has Belle right down there by the wishing well. And so I do really love the castle and just how it looks on the backpack. It looks like glass, like stained glass. And right down here, Belle reading a book with the sheep. I just love like the texture and like, I don't know, the colors. Like it's just very pretty. We've got Luminaire and Cogsworth right there.
Lumiere and Cogsworth, they look
And then
amazing.
on the back, this is also my favorite. I love how it's like a stained glass look to it. This is what I love about Beauty and the Beast. It's all very pretty, like aesthetically pleasing. And then on this pocket, we've Mrs. Potts and Chip. And of course, we can't forget the best part, the lining, of course. Oh, this is my favorite one. I love, once again, it's stained glass interior of this backpack. And you've got the rose there all over, and it's just beautiful. So this was definitely my favorite one out of all of them, out of this series, and I think all of the backpacks that I've seen yet. I hope you enjoyed seeing the Princess Castle Loungefly backpacks with me. So let me know which one of the backpacks is your favorite out of 3 of these ones of the series. Beauty and the Beast, Tiana, and Snow White. Comment below which one you think is your favorite out of the 3 of them.
On the first video, these 2 were Jamie's 2 favorites.
The Little Mermaid
and Cinderella.
Cinderella.
So now we've got Beauty and the Beast competing too.
Yeah, these are the ones competing, kind of. Actually, no. Okay, out of the 3 of those, this one's my #1. Little Mermaid is #2. And #3 is Cinderella Castle.
And here's an update of the current castle backpacks that we've showed off in the videos. All hung up nicely, along with lots of other new friends and other bags in the collection that we have showed off. But as always, if there's others that you want to see, just let us know and we'll show them more in detail because we haven't showed them all on the channel.
So stay tuned for our next video of my Princess Castle Loungefly backpack series. We have some more exciting ones to share with you guys. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime we upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up, and as always, thanks for keeping up in Disney, and we will see you real soon. Bye!